The Group Performance Report displays the alert response statistics for groups in your organization, letting you easily view and compare how your groups are responding to incidents. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Group Performance Report to see which of your groups are hitting their service levels and which may need some help. From the Communications Center dashboard, you can add the Group Performance widget to your dashboard by dragging and dropping it onto your dashboard. This settings cog enables you to filter which chart you'd like to view: alert mean time to first response by group, alerts by group, incident mean time to acknowledge and incident mean time to resolve by group, and incidents by group. You can also filter which groups you'd like to see and what time frame you'd like to look at. It's important to note that group performance data is updated only after alerts have been terminated and incidents have been resolved. Clicking on a bar in the chart will drill down further into that group's performance report. This section is divided into two tabs: alerts and incidents. Let's take a look at the alerts first. On this page, you can filter alerts by date, groups, supervisors, source, and priority. The alerts section shows you the total number of alerts each of your groups has received. The responses section tells you how many of those alerts they've responded to and what contribution values those responses had. Contribution values are set in the Responses tab of your workflow forms. The time to first response shows you the average response time and the longest time a group has taken to respond to a message. You can also hide each column if you don't need to see it. Escalations tells you how many times an alert has been escalated from this group, and if the escalation was to a peer or management. The escalation behavior is the same, the term is only used for reporting purposes. You can click any column heading to sort the data in ascending or descending order. You can click the number of alerts and the alerts column to drill through into a filtered version of the alerts report to view specific details about underlying alerts. To display a performance report for the members of a group, click on the name of a group. In the charts displayed, you will see alerts, mean time to first response, and escalations, broken down into groups. From here, you can click and drag your pointer to brush over the data graphs. To adjust the selected area, move your pointer over the right or left border so that the drag handles appear, and then drag the border to a new position. Click Apply Time Frame to highlight and summarize the data for a specific time period. Click the expand icon to view the data graphs in full screen mode. If there's a particular group you're interested in, you can hover over the graph and click the name of the group in the pop-up window to drill down into that specific group's members list using the time frame area that you selected or moused over. This feature is particularly useful if you want to investigate a spike in the graph report, so you can drill down in further detail to what happened and why it happened. Select or deselect the Show Group Performance Charts checkbox to display or hide the data graphs. Over on the Incidents tab, you can see similar report options and filters for your group incidents. You can see who the resolver was and the number of incidents they resolved, mean time to acknowledge, the mean time to resolve, and the engaged duration time. You can click on a number of incidents in the Incidents column to drill through to a filtered version of the incidents list to view details about specific underlying incidents. You can also click on a group name to drill down into the group members to see their specific performance data. If you need a record of the report, you can export it as a spreadsheet by clicking on the Export button in the top right corner. Now you know how to use a group performance report to compare and evaluate your teams. Give it a try yourself by signing up for xMatters free at xmatters.com/free. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know down below in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, I hope you'll consider giving it a like and subscribing. Have a great day.